I'm Ann Sage, and as a designer, nothing inspires me more than a clean, light, and bright look. I know what I like, and my go-to color is white. For me, white evokes the joy of travel. It brings back the feelings and memories I get from favorite places and experiences like a deserted white sand beach or the cool wintry wonder of new snow. Some of my friends think I must be crazy to embrace so much white, given my busy household with 3 pets, my husband, and our toddler, all in a small space. With the right tricks and tools, I don't need to compromise. My secret weapon is OxiClean White Revive. It keeps all of my whites really white, without chlorine bleach. Whether a crisp white shirt to easy jeans, jumpers, and tees, white is versatile and wearable. We all live in white. It's not unusual to find our entire household piled into our bed for some quality cuddle time. And I don't think twice about our white bedding, throw, and pillow coverings losing their luster. We use OxiClean White Revive to pre-soak dingy items. Then it's as simple as tossing in a scoop with every load for easy whitening and brightening. It's perfect for keeping the whites in my closet and my home looking totally fresh and clean. When it comes to design, I have a motto: decorate for the life you want. My home is my true sanctuary, and I love how easy it is to keep it looking that way. OxiClean White Revive. Work your magic.